Hello friend, this is the second part of previous PPT and topic is isomorphism theorem. We have here three theorems. First isomorphic theorem is let R be a ring and T such that M2H be a R homomorphism, then M upon kernel T is equal to RT. RT is domain. The proof, let the mapping, this is the R homomorphism. Then kernel T, this is the definition of kernel T, is a submodule of R module M, and this is the RT is the submodule of R module H, means kernel T is the submodule of domain and RT is the submodule of codomain. Now quotient module, this is the definition of quotient module. Quotient module means collection of all quotients under addition and scalar multiplication are given, means addition of two quotients and scalar multiplication. This is the addition of two quotients, k plus m1 plus k plus m2, k plus m1 plus m2, and second scalar multiplication of quotients with quotients are k plus m1 is equal to k plus rm1, m1 m2 are the elements of m and r is the element of r. Now definition, here define the mapping f such that m upon k to rt by, this is the quotient module and their elements are k plus m1, operate mapping T, we get f k plus m is equal to tm for all m is the element of m. First we show that here we show that this mapping is isomorphism, and for this first we show that f is well defined. To show well defined means elements are same, images are same. For this we take two elements a and b of quotient module. A is the k plus m1 plus the k plus m1 and b is the k plus m2 for some m1 m2 belongs to m. Now a is equal to 0, a is equal to b, given this is the value of a and this is the value of b is equal to m1 minus m2 belongs to k, k means kernel T. So T m1 minus T m2. Now operate T, this T on m1 minus m2 means T m1 minus T m2 is equal to T m1 minus m2 is equal to 0 by definition of kernel T, and T m1 is equal to T m2. From this T m1 is equal to T m2 means this is the value of T m1 and this is the value of T m2. So image elements are same, images are same, we get here f is well defined. Second, to prove that f is 1 1, 1 1 means reverse order of well defined. Here again we take a b belongs to a and b belongs to quotient module m upon k such that here images are same, we show elements are same. So images fa is equal to fb, this is the value of a and b, and this is equal to tm1 tm2. tm1 is equal to minus tm2 is equal to 0 and t is common, m1 minus m2 is equal to 0. This shows, this condition already shows m1 minus m2 belongs to k and kernel T by definition of kernel. So k plus m1 is equal to k plus m2. Here f k plus m1 is equal to f k plus m2, this implies k m1 plus m2 means images and these are their elements. So f is 1 1. Now f is on 2. For f is on 2, let m be any element in m, there exists tm is the element in domain means rt, k plus m belongs to quotient module such that f k plus m is equal to tm and this condition shows f is on 2. Next, to prove f is homomorphism, homomorphism means two conditions. First condition is f a plus b, a and b are elements of quotient module. F a plus b is equal to, this is the value of a and b, this is f k plus m1 m2 and this is equal to f, this is the value of t, value of this t m1 plus m2 is equal to tm1 plus tm2 is equal to f, this is the m1 f k plus m1 f k plus m2, f a is equal to fb means f a plus b is equal to f a is equal to fb, first condition. Second condition, f ra is equal to f, this is the value, this is again t rm1 and this is rtm1, this is rfa, f ra is equal to rfa, this is second condition. Thus f such that m upon k to rt is r onto isomorphism. So this mapping is isomorphism means m upon k is isomorphic to rt. This is the theorem, this is the condition. Second theorem, second isomorphic theorem. Here two submodules are given. If A and B are two submodules of R module M, then A plus B upon B isomorphic to A upon A intersection B. To prove that AB, this is the proof. Let AB be submodules of an R module M, then A plus B and A intersection B are submodules of M. Also, B is the submodule of A plus B and A intersection B is the submodule of A. These two conditions, so this is the two conditions shows, and we find the quotient module. A plus B upon B is the first quotient module. A upon A intersection B is the second quotient module exist. Now we define the mapping T such that A to A plus B upon B and A is the element of A, means to operate T on A we get TA is equal to, this is the B plus A, means elements of this quotient module for all A is the element of A. We show that T is onto homomorphism. First of all, T is onto. T is onto, we take any element Y belongs to A plus B upon B, then there exists A belongs to A, B belongs to B, such that Y is equal to B plus A plus B, X B plus A, commutative property. So B plus B plus A is equal to B plus B means again B, and B plus capital B means again B, B plus A is equal to TA. We get here Y is equal to TA. Hence for each Y belongs to quotient module means codomain of T, and there exists A belongs to A domain of T, we get Y is equal to TA, then T is onto. Now T is an homomorphism. Again two conditions are here. Let we get two elements, A1 A2 belongs to A and R belongs to R. Now T A plus B is equal to B. T A1 plus A2 is equal to B. A1 plus A2 expand B plus A1 B plus A2 is equal to TA1 TA2, first condition, and this is the scalar multiplication, second condition. T RA1 is equal to RTA. This implies T is R homomorphism. So T such that A to A plus B upon B is an onto homomorphism, and this is the isomorphism. Onto homomorphism means isomorphism. So A plus B upon B isomorphic to A upon kernel T. This is equation first. Now we show here kernel T is equal to A intersection B. So kernel T is equal to, this is the definition of kernel T. Tx is equal to 0. 0 means B. B is the element of quotient module A plus B upon B. So X belongs to A, B plus X belongs to B. This condition shows X is the element of B. Here we get two conditions, X is the element of A, X is the element of B. This implies A intersection B, X is the element of A intersection B, means kernel T is equal to A intersection B. Substitute this value in equation number 1, we get this result, and this is the final result. Lastly, third isomorphic theorem. Let M be a module over a ring R, and let H and K be submodules of M with condition K is the subset of H, then R module M upon H is isomorphic to M upon K upon M upon H upon K. This is the important theorem. Now proof. H and K are two submodules of module M. This is the first quotient module M upon H, and M upon K is second quotient module. Defined T such that, here any mapping defined T such that M upon K to M upon H by, this is quotient module, this is also quotient module. So their elements are K plus M1. First elements of first quotient is K plus M1, and element of second quotient is H plus M. T operate on first domain, so we get T K plus M is equal to H plus M. M is the element of M. We show that T is onto homomorphism. To prove T is well defined, as the previous theorem, well defined means elements are same, images are same. So we take two elements of first quotient module, A is equal to this, B is equal to this, and M1 M2 are the element of M. Let A is equal to B. Substitute the value of A and B. M minus M, this condition shows M1 minus M2 belongs to K, that is M1 minus M2 belongs to H. This condition is already given in theorem. K is the subset of H. So M1 minus M2 belongs to K means M1 minus M2 belongs to H, and apply the condition H plus M1 is equal to H plus M2, and H plus M1 is equal to T, K plus M1 is equal to T, K plus M2, and this is equal to TA is equal to TB. So A is equal to B is equal to TA TA is equal to TB. Thus A is equal to B, this implies TA is equal to TB. This means that T is well defined. Now to prove T is onto, as the previous theorem, we take again element of quotient module H plus M belongs to M upon H, codomain of T, and there exists K plus M belongs to M upon K, domain of T, such that K plus M is equal to H. This condition shows T is onto. Last, to prove T is an homomorphism, again two conditions are here. We take two elements of first quotient module, and now T A plus B operate on these two elements. T A plus B is equal to, substitute the value of A and B. This is T K plus M1 plus M2. So H K plus M1 plus M2. This is equal to, by definition, they are mapping TH plus M1 plus M2 expand H plus M1 plus H plus M2. This is equal to TA plus TB, means TA plus B is equal to TA plus B. Same condition here for scalar multiplication. So TRA is equal to RTA. Since T is onto, this implies T such that M upon K to M upon A. Here H is an onto homomorphism. This implies M upon H isomorphic to M upon K, kernel T. Again we can show here kernel T is M upon H upon K. So this is the definition of kernel T, and this element is the zero element of quotient module, means domain. So K plus M is equal to such that H plus M is equal to H plus 0, and this shows K plus M such that M belongs to H, means H upon K, and therefore substitute kernel T is equal to H upon K and put this value in this condition. We get M upon H is equal to M upon K upon H upon K. This is the third isomorphic theorem. Unit is over and syllabus is over. Thank you.